Howdy.
Howdy. Alright, got her sanded down. There's the her shit again. Got it sanded down. And going to throw some more primer on it. Filled the little nail holes. Hopefully they don't arise after I spray it. But here we go. Do a nice fat coat. This stuff flashes real fast. When you watch it flash, it'll doll up. So as it flashes, I'll talk to you about my ideas now. So I'm going to put the face on it like that, and maybe accept the feet a little bit or mess with some 1/4 inch. I think I'm gonna mess with some 1/4 inch and kerf or wet bend them around the edges to have an uplift. We'll see if that works. If I get bored of it, I'll set up my deal and try to route it in. I'm talking about the Super Duty accents, whatever they are. Alright, so this is almost flashed. And I just want to stick them in. I'll stick them in the truck, wire them up, mount the speakers, see how they look. This, I think, my idea is going to be to paint this red. You know, it's kind of the theme of the truck, the badges that are on the side of an 08 to 10. I had billet badges make me the billet ones, and they were black with an inlay of red in the MSI logo. You saw them in like the first video, and they look like shit. Well, I got them back. They redid them for free, billet badges, and they put the red in there. I told them just to do them black, but they put the red in there, so I'll use it as an accent. All right, ready for a second coat. Here's a big fat coat of primer. And the TranStar, the 2-in-1 primer, is the shit. I don't see any nail heads, so I think I've done that part of the job good. So I'll sand this with whatever this one is. I think it's 220 or something like that. Sand it with that, get it smooth. Sand it with a higher number. You need like 400, and then start thinking about what color paint. I'm pretty sure I got dust all over this thing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with a fire engine red. You know, kind of to set off the digital designs, the DD audio. It should be cool. So that'll be black. This will be red. It should look good. So I'm gonna get her all done. Get it There's a her shit again. So I'm gonna get it all ground up. Sand all these sides down. Get it smoothed, and then see how much I need of kitty hair and rage gold filler, and then install them. I did fuck up though. This back edge is supposed to have holes in it. I forgot to do them on this one. That one has holes. Big problem I have is I can't drill through this panel to get the holes. I was going to do studs, but I need guidance to do the studs. So I'm probably going to end up doing a strap behind these or somewhere that I can actually get to and mount it that way. But we'll see. Everything's fucking hard, so I'll get her done. The fucking her shit. But I'll get it done. And we'll see. I'm gonna hand sand that one over there. Just like this one. Make it all pretty. I've already filled in the nail holes so I don't have to go backwards. But I got hand sand all those edges. I think I showed this already. But I did smooth this edge out too. So when I get all this done and this one mounted, I think I'm going to run it on the table again to match the edges perfectly. And then go into my sanding down the sides. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm starting to sweat. I'll turn the fan off for you. So, we'll get her done. I know. Howdy. Alright, so I decided to go and press. I did some painting, and you should see it on the time lapse if this shitty fucking camera got the time lapse. But there's some work. I was gonna paint red, but I don't have red right now, so I painted it black, satin black. It should look pretty good. Let's see. I'm gonna get my mess out of here. Sorry. I know I just twisted you guys all about. Interesting. So I also pressed my piece. It's got some adjusting to do, but I put it in here. It's seriously legit. And we can stick it in here. Well, look at that. Oh yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, the black looks better under there, and of course I'll paint this black. I don't know, I'm excited. I still don't know if I'm gonna do my lines. I'm still fucking thinking about that, trying to figure out how to do it. But I mean, I don't know. First time doing shit like this. Wow, third time, because I fucked this up 3 times. Or 2, and this is the 3rd. Not too shabby. I dig it. I'm gonna, man, I don't know. I want to wrap this, and probably wrap this. It just looks like it'd be a nightmare to wrap. Cause I gotta wrap it under here, trim this up so I could stick it in here and glue it. But how do you wrap that and glue this at the same time? Doesn't sound like they're supposed to work together. So I might just sand this piece up and paint it red or satin black because I don't have red. We'll see. I want to do the door, or the pole panel. I want to wrap the panel. Panel's getting wrapped no matter what. And I've got to continually remind myself that if I glue this down, I cannot put the holes here for the handles. So I've got to remember that, otherwise I'm gonna fuck that up. So I don't know. I'm super happy with how this looks. I mean, I think it looks pretty freaking good. I'm surprised my grill press worked. I don't know how happy I'm with the grill, how strong it is. I guess it's as strong as it's gonna get. But we'll see. I'll take this out of here without scratching the whole world up. Probably not gonna happen. A little bit of scratches, but only in places. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that because when I pull this out, I guess I'm gonna stick this in with magnets. If I stick it in with magnets, I'm never getting it out again, so, unless I need to. But now I gotta press another one, and I learned, do not put a big long piece of tape. I need to put a little piece of tape here, a little piece of tape here, because I think when I pop this, I give it a little concave, which I'm gonna stick it in here and see if I can smash that out of it. Give it a little squeeze. So let me do that, and then I'll press another one, and I'll have you guys on time lapse to watch that. Yeah. What do you think, Lowe's?
Looks rough.
Yeah, typical asshole.
No, it looks super good.
I dig it.